Good morning, everyone. My name is the one and only Silverreploid CLE. How are you guys doing on YouTube? That's right, the Silverreploid slash Inkling coming at you live looking fresh in the flesh on the net, streaming on stream. Welcome back, everyone, to another reaction video today, guys. Hope you guys are having a very blessed and safe weekend thus far. And of course, let's just jump right into our only upload for today because, well, getting back to my Halloween project that I got going on. And of course, yeah, hope you guys are also getting yourself prepped up for Halloween. And of course, yeah, be sure to take care of yourselves for those who are intending to go trick-or-treating, which I don't personally because, well, it's just, well, I don't know, but I used to back when I was a little kid. But either way, guys, that's besides the point. For those who are intending to go trick-or-treating, however, please make sure you take care of yourselves and, of course, wear your masks. And yeah, so with that being said, let's jump right into our new SMG4 video that we're about to check out. This is Mario screwing in a light bulb, or originally titled SMG4, Mario screws in a light bulb. So guys, we're looking at the new SMG4, and also, speaking of which, I've also seen a new challenges video where they introduce SMG4's new look in trophy form, and of course, Mega in trophy form, and they were pretty dope, and of course, other stuff they have there too. So yeah guys, I saw the video, and of course, I was pretty psyched that they had them in there, and I'm sure you guys are probably psyched as well, considering that the lawyer act came to a very triumphant end, and of course SMG4 showcased the new looks of the characters, some of the characters, and yeah. So guys, for those who are new to this channel, thank you all so much as always for tuning in and of course giving it a very excellent glimpse. If you would like to see more content from yours truly, please do not hesitate to blast on that subscribe button and turn on the push notification bell, and of course please share this video with your friends and family that love SMG4. It definitely helps the channel, and of course it also helps with SMG4's channel, so make sure you also subscribe to SMG4, the Hobo Bros, and Glitch for more of their hilarious bloopers and such. As always, guys, I'm going to add the channels in the usual areas, DCO, in the description, comments, and the outro. And guys, with that being said, let's go ahead and without any hesitation react to this video. We shall see how it goes, and that'll be all for today. Rolling clip now.
I love you too. I love you too.
Oh my goodness, what the heck is he doing?
If you haven't heard yet, we have released our very first 2 animated figurines. First, you got your boy here, SMG4.
Oh yeah.
And you also got a special skin, Lawyer Maggie. She's limited stock and only here for those of you who watch the Losu arc and Wattfree 2022. There's only 3 days left to get 15%.
Oh yeah.
Quickly go get it now at smg4.store. And with that, we're gonna go to the video now. Woo!
Oh. Okay. The Family Guy music. So Mario and SMG4 are playing Mario Kart glitched out. Well, that is one fundamental way to trigger Mario when it comes to getting him in a bad mood, which is beating him on certain video games. Oh! There goes the light bulb. Why the heck would Mario mistake Toad as a new light bulb? That's freaking hilarious.
No, I'll fix it.
Ooh, a new one. Ouch! I feel bad for Toad though. But the question is, how the heck's gonna reach up there? Oh. Really, Mario?
I did it. Well, thank
You
God I
sure
have-
did. Yep. Oh!
What did SMG4 doing?
Ooh.
Just hold this Toad, then I'll go home.
Yep. But you are home, I thought.
Mario, we all know things are gonna end up on fire if you do anything. So please just stand there and be useless.
Wow.
Hmm.
Way to roast him, SMG4.
Mamma mia.
Uh-oh.
So long, Toad.
Whoa! Oh no.
Oi, keep it still, Toad!
I guess this is what SMG4 gets for insulting Mario and calling him useless. That's probably instant karma in Mario's definition. Huh? Uh-oh. What are you doing now, Mario? SMG4 told you to stay put. Oh. Uh-oh. Oh my goodness. Oh! Uh-oh. Close call on your part, huh, Mario?
Easy for me. Oh, you got the Mario thinking now.
Uh-oh. Yeah. I'm just now realizing that that's the Nokia theme. Uh-oh. Jeez.
Oi, Mario, hold it still! You little
Oh! I know it's not Alex product, but I have to do this. Yep. Jeez! Uh-oh. Now he's ticked off. Whoa! Oh dear. Direct hit. Ouch.
Well, that was the only ladder we had.
Dang.
Got the Mario thinking now.
Doesn't that hurt, Mario? That's... If he didn't drop the light bulb, it would have been easy for him at that rate. Or go through the ceiling / roof.
Shoot it down.
Uh-oh. Ouch.
Pig. Spider pig.
Jeez. Uh-oh. Ouch. Nice tranquilizer weapon, SMG4. What the? Jeez. I feel bad for Princess Peach. Oh, dear. Dude, what exactly? Uh-oh. All because of his animosity towards Mario after what happened to him. Oh, no.
What's wrong with you?
He cares about vindication and nothing else.
It's no use, Mario. Doesn't look like we can fix the light bulb.
Or is there a way?
Mamma mia.
Huh? Break the law. Oh,
Come here, come here.
that tells us something.
What are you doing? What's going on here?
Fourth wall breakage in a nutshell.
Mario, screw the damn light bulb in.
Wow. Oh dear. God bless. What? Doesn't fit. What do you mean?
What? What do you mean it's not working? Just force it in.
Okie dokie.
Gotta worry about the circuits, my boy. And there you go. But will it work though?
Let there be light.
Oh! Oh my god.
Oh, poop.
Good evening.
Wow.
Too many boos. I mean, they're adorable, but sometimes creepy, but it depends.
Touch me. Can't touch me.
And he's trapped. Ouch.
Better scramble like an egg before you get folded like a
What? Oh. Ouch. Wow. Where's the poltergust when you need it? You have to find Luigi first. Oh, wait! Speak of the damn devil.
Superstar.
Oh dear.
Luigi, we're so happy to see you. We just wanted to replace a light bulb, and now the power's out.
Yeah.
Luigi, come Totoro Sorebaro.
Como Totoro Sorebaro. The giant super light bulb. Oh. So that's it. Just like in the old Mario Party game.
You had this on you then, huh?
Just try not to break it, Luigi.
You Super Luigi Mansion full.
Oh! Well,
Looks like it's
that
up to us
happened.
then.
Yep. Just don't mess this up. Huh? Oh dear. More booze. Uh-oh. Whoa, shoot. Oh god. Whoa! He even got towed. There's King Boo. And the other ones. Jeez. Nice toss. But... uh-oh. Whoa! Okay. Imagine morphing into walls like how you did in the original game. That's so beginning to me. Oh my.
Oh, okay.
So technically it's a balloon. Ouchie. Uh-oh. Oh, I thought he was gonna... Wait. Hold on. You did not! Oh my... What the heck is that? Buff King Boo or something? I don't even know anymore. Ouchie. The super light bulb. There you go, SMG4. Where's the power? I think you have to turn it on. The switch? Yeah.
No! This was meant to work! Come on, you stupid piece of...
Oh! It was at the very given time frame that SMG know for a fact he completely messed up big time. Yep. Oh, out of power. Yep, you have to charge it. So basically the poltergeist wires this vacuum. In the game it's infinite energy, but uh-oh, they're doomed. Wait, huh? What's happening? Oh dear. Huh?
Mario, I told you already! Toad won't work!
Whoa! Who would have thought that Toad had much power? Whoa! New power source alert. Toad. For a limited time only. And woo! The power has been restored to the city. / kingdom. Ouch! And that means they disappear. Even King Boo himself. Toad is scorching hot.
I saved the world.
That you did. That was crazy. Awesome art there, cutesy. Oh my goodness, this was insane. Yeah. Alright guys, gonna stop the video right there. So that right there was Mario screws in a light bulb where Mario calls an outage to their home, and of course, well, over a video game, and of course, it led them to finding a light bulb, and they just like constantly messing around and whatnot, causing them to like turn to many dead ends, and it was like, yeah, they had a huge struggle trying to find the power source to turn the power back on, not only at Mushroom Kingdom, but also in the whole entire city altogether. And yeah, like I said, who would have thought that Toad would be the excellent power supply to the whole entire generator of their home? And yeah, all's well that ends well, I guess, considering that happened. And yeah, imagine having that kind of thing in real life. But if it were to lead to that, then you probably have to buy plenty of mushrooms. But I don't know, but either way, guys, that'd be a ridiculous idea, honestly. But yeah, guys, with that being done, I'm going to conclude the video right here. My reaction to SMG4's video, Mario Squeezing the Lightbulb, which was very enjoyable indeed. Guys, getting a taste of the new SMG4 look, and of course, turned out pretty well. So yeah, I'm going to end the video right here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video to the fullest, and if you did, as always, please do not hesitate to blast that like button, because it really keeps me going, and make sure you subscribe once again to SMG4, the Hobo Bros, and Glitch, more than hilarious bloopers and such. As always, guys, I'm going to add the channels in the usual areas, DCO, in the description, comments, and the outro. And guys, please subscribe for more if you're new, with the notifications on, and of course, keep yourselves up to date on my social media and Twitch channel links provided in the description. And with that being said, everyone, there are more to come soon. This is your Reploid / Inkling himself, Silverreploid CLE. I love you guys to the fullest, and as always, I'll see Reploids, Mavericks, Rabbit Hunters, Sigma, SMG4 fans, I'm an SG4 fan also, Inklings, Octolings, Inklings, etc. everyone, in the next video. Stay blessed, warmed, loved, safe, quarantined, fresh in the flesh, off the hook. I will see you guys next time at Utopia. Thank you all so much for watching this video. As always, I'll see you guys in the next one. Have a blessed and safe weekend, everyone. P.S. I need a haircut, but that'll be done next week or so. But either way, guys, I'll see you guys next time. Love you guys. Take care. Hey guys, Silverreploid CLE here. I want to thank all of you for watching this video. Please smash on the like button, subscribe for more content if you're new, and please turn on the push notifications. And also, please make sure you check out my other videos or any video on display and show tons of love and support for not only me, but to those who are also involved. Have a great one, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!